How to record a presentation in Loom. Your first step is to open your presentation. You could open those slides in either Microsoft PowerPoint, Google Slides, Canva, or any presentation software. Once you've done that, go ahead and open up Loom. You could launch it on your browser, being the loom.com, or you could launch it as an extension. So let's say you're using the browser option, which is the website. Click on record a video. Once you've selected the record a video option, you can now simply select what you would like to record. So it could either be your full screen, a specific window, the current tab, or your camera only. But you could go with a window. Just go ahead and select what you'd like to record, or your full screen. All right, so once you've done that, go ahead and enable your webcam and your microphone. Now, if these are enabled, just go ahead and click on them to simply enable them. And then once you've done that, you can now start recording by clicking on Start Recording. And then simply navigate through your slides. And once you're done, go ahead and click on Stop Recording. And that's it. All right, guys.